In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use A+ content on KDP, a comprehensive tutorial that's perfect for beginners. Now let's dive right into it and explore the step-by-step process. To begin with, you'll want to navigate over to your Amazon KDP account, which is your central hub for publishing and marketing your books. Once you're logged in, look toward the top navigation bar where you'll find a tab labeled Marketing. This section is essential as it houses various tools designed to enhance your book's visibility and appeal to readers. Click on it, and that's where we start our journey into A+ content. Now that you're in the Marketing section, direct your attention to the option labeled A+ content. Selecting this will be your gateway to a range of tools that allow you to create rich, enhanced content for your book's detail page. A+ content is great because it allows you to add unique and customized material that can captivate potential buyers with visuals or detailed text. This tool can make your book stand out from the crowd, giving it a polished and professional appearance that may help improve sales. Once you're in the A+ Content Manager, you'll have the choice to either create new content or edit existing content. If you're just starting, you'll want to create a new project. Don't worry if you're not super tech-savvy. Amazon provides a user-friendly editor with different module options such as comparison charts, images, and text layouts that you can arrange to your preference. Take advantage of this flexibility to craft content that accurately represents your book and connects with your target audience. As you're setting this up, consider what elements will most intrigue and inform your potential readers. After crafting your A+ content to perfection, the next crucial step is to submit it for approval. This part is necessary because Amazon reviews all A+ content submissions to ensure they meet quality standards and adhere to guidelines. So go ahead and hit the submit button. It usually takes a few days for approval, so be patient. While you're waiting, you might want to revisit your original content draft to check for any areas you may wish to refine further in the future. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated through the process of setting up A+ content on KDP. Remember, A+ content is a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. It's all about grabbing attention, engaging your audience, and ultimately encouraging more readers to fall in love with your work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And remember that practice makes perfect when it comes to optimizing your book details.